Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Create with Kayla. So today we're going to be creating these Dollar Tree white pampas grass. I got the inspiration from a YouTuber named Justinwray. Just check him out. I'm going to link his YouTube video down below. So let's get started. What you're going to need is this microfiber dust mop pad, some bamboo skewers, a comb, some hot glue, and some scissors. Alright, so you're going to cut off your tags, and what you're going to do next is cut down one of the sides of the seam and cut it out. So this is me rolling it to make sure I want the length of one side. So it has 3 seams in it, so you're going to cut each seam. One of the seams you're not going to be able to use because it's not going to have anything to adhere to. So here I'm just cutting it in half because you can make, I think, about 6 of these. So if you cut them in half, you can make about 6 of these. What I am is using the small bamboo skewers, not the extra long ones. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to hot glue this stick and then stick it in the middle of the fabric, and then we're going to roll it so it all sticks to the glue. Then you're going to cut it so it looks like pampas grass, so cut it out evenly and then comb it out. Alright, now you just keep repeating the process over and cut the rest of the fabric up. I was able to create about 6 pampas grass. Alright, here's the middle strip that you're going to have to dispose. Once you cut it out, it's not going to have anything on the side of it. But with this last piece you can make right here, you can cut this in half and make 2 pampas grass out of it. So as you can see right here down the middle, I'm cutting. I'm going to make 2 separate pampas grass stems. Alright, and here's your final look. Once again, I got this inspiration from Justinwray. I will link his pampas grass tutorial down below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.